you told me that you thought they were pencil shavings.
Yeah.
And remember when I called you up and told you that your Aunt Faye was coming to New York, and I want you to take her around, show her the city? And you said that you had better things to do, didn't you?
That's right.
Now I'm curious. Just what were those better things that you had to do?
Jethro Tull had a reunion concert in New Jersey, so I caught that.
Uh-huh. And what happened to your Aunt Faye that weekend?
She died.
She did. By any chance, did you happen to make it to her funeral?